Next, let's download our statement of account. Now, I want to download the statement of account in Palmpay. Go to transaction history, select transaction history. Then you see the history is written there. You can see add money, bank account, blah blah blah. You can see failed, and the others for July. So I select download. So I select download to show me this page where I choose all services. I decide to I don't want my transaction type to be all. Instead of money in or money out, I want all of them to show. Let's say I want to download for the last month. So start date is June 18th, then June July 18th. Then I want to show my address. If I want it, I will select it. If I don't want it, I will select it. Then I click on continue. Input my email account, email address, and then confirm. And I'm going to input my password. So after inputting my password, it says my application has been submitted. They will send an encrypted file to my email within 24 hours. So I should check my email. Now my email is connected to my phone, so I quickly got the email over here with the attachment. So that is how you download it. Now it is here on my email. You can see it here. Next thing I'm to do is to download this email account PDF form. So I click on download, and the email account has been downloaded complete. If I open it, here is my statement of account. That's it. That's how you download it.